like she could eat anything. You know how I keep this trim figure? Back in the day, we used to play chubby checkers. Oh my God, we could really twist. My Uzi just being front. I had a rush up here from down by Pine Ridge. Me and my friend Agnes sleeps alone. We went down there. Every now and then I go down to Pine Ridge to go down to Harry's grave. It was so good to be down there. They just got done with their powwow a couple of days ago. Agnes and I got on the Greyhound, came up here, but it was so good to be down there. Oh, they had teepees up all over the place. People were singing and they were dancing. They're playing hand game. Oh, it felt good. Agnes and I were sitting down there watching all those young people just dancing away in their jingle dresses. By the way, where is that Albert at? Did you get your jingle dresses? Poor thing, they were just all flat in the ground. Well, we were down there and they were just singing and dancing away. We were there a couple hours. I told my friend Agnes, geez, I'm getting hungry. So let's go over to the stand where they got all this food. We walked over there. I pulled out my fork. Don't look. Gave him my fork. Does Dakota even have a hot dog stand? Give me 2 of your hot dogs. I took one, I gave one to my friend Agnes. We went and we sat down, just getting ready to eat. What part of the dog they give you, Agnes? Did you all have a good time tonight? You see that flute player, you tell him he better really have fun. So I think they're going to have a little bit of dancing after this, I'm not sure. But anyway, thank you all again. And I want to make sure that we invite you to next year's gathering at the end of this next 2 days. I'll be talking about when it's going to be. And I want to thank you all for coming out. And I want to thank all those performers that came out and gave a really good show. Give them another round of applause. You all have a real good evening, okay? Alright. Alright, everybody, let's give Agnes a hand for coming all the way. Don't she look pretty in her green dress tonight?
Agnes went all out. She even bought herself new runners. Agnes, are those new glasses too? Grandma's working it tonight. I'm so glad that you guys are all here. It was actually, I had a really good time performing tonight with my broken rib. But I had a good time.